Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Entitled Woman Attacks Her Manager After Being Fired by NY Detective. One thing about firing a black person, expect it to go down.
On February 18th, 2025, officers were dispatched to an assisted living center after a disgruntled employee refused
Not at the
to leave
nursing home.
premises following termination.
Oh, damn.
Ex-employee.
Please work tax 65 traffic complaint.
In the office with my business manager.
Where?
Right.
351 to there, Griffin Road on North 14th Street. Ridley from County reference a vehicle, no 28, last seen southbound on Griffin.
Somebody really needed that job.
Black Ford F-250 with luggage rack on the back.
Hi.
Hi.
What do we got going on?
She shouldn't be in this building. She was fired.
She needs to pay me.
Do you get your driver's license on you, miss?
I'm not giving you anything right now. She needs to
What's her
pay me.
name?
That's what I came here for.
Maya Anderson.
Maya Anderson. You know her date of birth? All right, Maya, you're being trespassed from the building today. Per the request of the staff members.
This is not the way to actually have a job at.
For the hours that I work.
All right, come on out. Come on out of the office, ma'am. Come on. Come on. Don't get yourself hemmed up in anything.
Talk to you about right
Yeah,
now.
you need to step out of the office.
She can
Okay.
process my stuff
All right, come on,
now,
out of the
and I'll
office.
go.
All right.
It was that easy. That's it. Don't touch me.
All right. Nope. Start walking out
Telling the cop to not touch you kind of asking for it, babe.
of the office right now. I'm not going to tell you
But she got red hair, so she don't give a fuck anyway.
twice.
Do not touch me.
You're going to get arrested for trespass after warning. I'm giving you.
And them lips, I know them type of lips. My gardeners, we know them type of lips. Look at the bottom one.
I'm giving you one option right now. Do you want to trespass in the building, correct?
Yep.
All right. If you do not
She about to make him lose the rest of his hair. Look how you
step out of
looking.
the office, you're going to get put in handcuffs. You're going to go to jail. I don't want to do that right now. Please step out there. Let's get this trespass on its way, and then you can get out of the building. I'm not going to keep repeating myself.
She said
though,
not
okay?
without
I'm
my
not-
check.
Process that. Because you're sitting right there in payroll right now. I've been watching you the whole time.
Step out. De-escalate, please.
Did he say that out loud? Did he mean to say that? De-escalate.
19 K4 with you 1020. Please not today. Do you really want to go to jail over this? You don't want to leave?
I want her to process my
That's a civil matter. I can't be involved in it, but right now you are trespassing. I'm now giving you 2.
And if somebody owed me some money, baby, I'm damn sure not finna start and get kicked off the premises to where they ain't never gotta pay me. Hey, look, we gonna handle this shit. Y'all gonna give me my money, baby. I need that.
directives to walk out of the office. I've instructed you twice. My body cam has been activated. It has heard everything I've done. I'm giving you 2 now. I'm not going to give you a 3rd. If you do not step out, you're going to end up going to jail, and I don't want to take you to jail for that, for refusing to leave. That is a bogus reason to go to jail right now. If you have a civil matter with them, they can take care of that, and you can contact the Lake County Courthouse, and you can process all of that and take care of it. But if you refuse to leave, I got to take you to I gotta take you to jail. I don't want to do that.
He really don't want to do it. Please just listen, baby cakes. It's not that serious. Not over a job that's probably paying you like $17, $18 an hour. The valid crash out is like, 30, 40 plus an hour. But this, nah. And then it go on your record too, so there's really no point even doing this type of shit.
We're really going to go this route?
We are.
It's not worth it, I'm telling you. It's not right now. It's never worth it to do this.
She done already made up her mind. My mind's telling
Maya,
me
just step out of the
no.
office.
I'm going to tell you this right now, Rachel.
All right, come on.
If you don't get my money,
Don't say any threats
you
either.
do not get my money, I promise you I will go to the owner and you won't have a job just like me.
Oh. Prosecution,
Yep, she going to jail.
put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
There was no reason to do that shit. That was dumb.
Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. K4, step it up.
Dumb as hell.
Come on in.
Over a job? At the nursing home?
Don't push. Don't push. Don't push. Throw those handcuffs over here, man.
Here.
He need to go work out. He breathing hard over that shit. He talking about some. You gotta lay off them donuts and them coffee, man. That shit is a fire mix. I'm not gonna lie, but you can't be breathing like that. Sound like you about to have a heart attack trying to put these cuffs on the girl.
Hit that lady with a bunch of crap on her desk right in front of me.
I didn't hit her.
Yes, you did.
That's assault, babe.
You just battered that lady right in front of me.
Can we see the body cam of this dude that's breathing hard? My boy got bronchitis, something.
And now you just got resisting and you're getting trespassed after warning. Step up. Ooh.
She a little thick though. I might have to go Bella Eye.
Can you get us started on a statement?
Like, how much was your check, baby?
That's simple. Just
Her backfired. I didn't touch her at all.
let's not do that. Come on. Come on.
What the fuck was that? I didn't know if that was a woman or a man. Where they at? Where they at? Seems like a beautiful day outside too. Yeah, you need to go hit the track, my boy. You need to go do about 6 miles. Run jog, run jog. That ain't healthy. I'd be scared to be breathing like that. Shit.
What side's it on?
Now she mad.
Don't catch no more charges.
She in the car. What else could she do?
You good?
Yeah, she battered the lady right in front of me.
Wipe the lady?
No, she slapped
He gotta have asthma.
all this stuff right at her on the desk right in front of me. I said, prosecute? And she's like, yeah. Whew.
You good, man?
She can wrestle.
I ain't even see her wrestling for real.
Can you get me a statement?
Did we watch the same video or am I tripping? Did I look down too much or something? Because when the fuck did she wrestle?
For the battery?
Can we please get the officer a donut, a Twinkie, something?
Tech 19 Elizabeth.
I mean, I ain't the smallest and I ain't the biggest, but goddamn.
22 that. Maya, do you want to provide me your last name?
Hell no.
Well, I can't remember it now. I just wrestled you on the floor to put handcuffs on you.
First name is going to be Maya. That's Mike Yankee Alpha. Unknown middle. Last name is Anderson. DOB is 421.
Hey. What? I did not. Can you ask him to try to get the video footage too? Is there going to be video footage in the office? Yeah, can you find out with him? I can't believe you just did that right in front of me. Could just got a simple trespass.
Facts.
Or you could just walked out of the building. Yeah, you hit her with a book in the face.
Damn. In front of the cop on the body cam.
She had a whole bunch of crap on the desk. You just hit her with it. I just watched you battery, simple touch or strike. You just did that to that lady intentionally. All right.
She was charged with simple assault, trespass after warning, and resisting an officer without violence. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out. We are farmers. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.